axle is crazy. Yo, what? The roller coaster's still going? Yo, the roller coaster is still going in the background. Mama. Mama. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాను. Mama. Oh, అయిపోయిందా? I have to like edit this out. Like edit music over this. Yeah, I'll have to edit music over this, huh? You might hear the stuff I'm saying right now. And it's my problems. Because this video needs to come out before New Year. Because I need one last video of 2025. This is being recorded in 2025, the very end. Now I'm recording. Oh, before I wasn't recording. Okay. Yeah, the current time. These are the jellyfish at Seaworld. I just saw the fireworks, and the current time is right now 9:16. And in a couple hours, it will be New Year, and this video will come out before New Year. So see you. Okay, I didn't know these were real jellyfish until just now. These don't look real. These look like animation. Okay, and these jellyfish are, it seems, older than dinosaurs, and they don't have brains. That's super cool information. Bye. We're in the midnight zone. I guess it's the New Year. Oh wait, it is. Like, it's 9:19. Super close. Not quite. Well, I'll be editing this on New Year. Oh, whoa. These are recordings. Aha. Whoa. Well, the whole place, darkening stuff. It's super cool. You should come to Seaworld. Okay? No advertisement. Seaworld isn't paying me. The way of saving a person when they were stung by this guy, a jellyfish, is by peeing. If there's pee on it, it's literally an antidote. So that's like a very good idea. So just in case, like, you're city folk going to the country, because a lot of people look at you bad if you don't like pee on a person when they get stung by a jellyfish. Oh, by the way, the ones that you're just looking at are purple striped jellyfish. I do not know how to say the scientific name, so I'm not saying it. And oh, more purple striped jellyfish, and it's darkening again. And these do not have a name on them. Strange. These look beautiful though. These are dwarf lion's manes. I think the same ones that I recorded over there. These are really beautiful. Like, see? Wow. Sorry for changing the camera angles. Bye. Telling you all these facts is because it's just on the wall. Just, if you come here, you can look at them yourself. This is my second take of this because I couldn't say box jellyfish have 24 eyes properly. Okay, anyways, oh my gosh! This is my cousin Shreya. Yeah, take you to reading anymore. And I will put music because every single time I try to read, my cousins try to interrupt me. Okay, let me just put music. I think there should be music. Immediate. Oh, wow, I'm really... Yo, why are you exposing my name? I mean, even though it says my name, oh my gosh, stop it! And see you next year in 2026. I will not be posting another video till 2026. That is next year. Haha. And it is currently 9:38, and this video will come out before New Year in 2025. So yeah, probably by 11. So 1 hour before New Year's. So see you then. And I hope you have a good New Year's. Bye.